Hi everybody, your realtor Franklin Pro here, and today we're having a special guest, Matt Petriello Law. Matt, how you doing? Tell us who you are.
I'm doing great. Thank you so much for having me. My name is Matt Petriello, a partner over at Petriello Law. This year celebrating our 44th year doing real estate in northern New Jersey, although my father gets credit for most of those years, of course. Residential real estate is what we do. It's my favorite practice area, therefore the primary practice area of the firm. And thanks for having me, and happy Thanksgiving to you and your family.
Thank you. We're having a great luncheon here today.
It was
people coming in and dropping off what you did.
Dangerously delicious downstairs.
Absolutely. Yes. So I got a quick question now. I got a lot of people that ask me, what is the purpose of having an attorney for a deal that is residential, that somebody wants to buy a house or sell a house? What's the purpose of an attorney?
Sure. Well, under the ethics rules and the Supreme Court cases of the state of New Jersey, the negotiation, closing of a transaction is the practice of law in the state of New Jersey, right? So we're what's called an attorney state, and we serve as kind of a focal point, right? Where we can put a lot of the pieces of the puzzle together, where we're coordinating after the realtors do their great work, finding a home, negotiating a deal, getting a contract, right? It's going to come to us and we're going to coordinate the realtor, the client, title, survey, home inspections, all of those pieces of the pie to effectuate from contract to closing to get the clients into their new home. We serve all of those processes in teamwork with the realtors, of course.
Awesome. Now, what would be the danger of somebody not using an attorney?
Well, you would ask yourself a kind of a question to reverse. What other contract for $300,000 or $750,000, what other contract would you ever sign where you wouldn't have a legal professional look at that paperwork before you execute that contract, right? People have attorneys look at, contracts that are for a sale of a chair for $10,000, right? You're about to spend $800,000, $400,000, $200,000, whatever it is. Very often, buying and selling a home is the most significant financial transaction of someone's life.
Amen.
It deserves to be treated with that level of attention and professionalism from the team as a whole.
Right. I know I wouldn't be able to explain that contract to my clients because I'm not a lawyer, right? You are, and all that stuff. When I read it, gives me a headache. So I'm like, you know what? I'll let him do everything, and he'll
each do our own role.
That's
Everybody's got their own job. That's
Amen.
There's an important part over here, important part of inspectors and surveyors and time. Everybody does their own piece.
That's right. Listen to this man. He knows what he's talking about. So if somebody wanted to get in touch with you, what would be the best way to get in contact with you?
Sure. So they can ask us through, we're on social right now, so any of our socials, Petriello Law, but petriellolaw.com. My email is very easy to contact us. You can do it right through the website, petriellolaw.com.
Got you. And then if anybody else wants to buy anything else, reach out to me. My name is Franklin Pro. I'm a real estate agent here in Jersey and in New York. And if you have any other questions for him, put it down on the comments below. I'll tag him as well, so he'll be able to know everything else. All right, guys.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm licensed in New York as well.
Awesome. So there you go. You got a New York team now. See, we're both in New York.
Thanks for having me, Fred.
Thank you for being here with me and your time. Peace out for now.